Unang yalam kalyang persya u Dr. Mukul sangma uladawa baka Sorkar kadai bantau ka kunhun toket halor ka jinglap ka Enforcement Directorate ya ka pisa belum bi an na u Dewiong hadu waypoint san popra klor. Habakran minta kasni u Dr. Mukul sangma ulakono baka ni ka jing beteng ka kambi an banti Dewiong bat ban khayi ka paushai baka dai na ka jing Donkti ki Politishian badan hakabor bat ki Babu Sorkar bakla dan kam kerki bandan ka jing toket ban se madan ya ka jing shisha halor ka jing sha luti ka pisa jong upaj ba ka jela ulong baman kapor haba kibri ki ju ujor ijahar ha ka jing ti ba jing shalan be an yo Dewiong ka bor jo ka an ka darab jot bamdan sakhi bat ulabu chikli hato kamdei ka kam jong ki pulet banwat ki sakhi bat ban toket habawan ka jing ujor Ulaong batang ha shalang ki pulit kila day banyu I kumno kinong bala nabar kila wantuj bat kani kadai lupa kasaki. Ulaong bola dap krani kani kakam hapo kaying darbar bat shabaru bat ul ajing to show chief secretary bat ka Sorkar India.
Number of occasions you have seen how we have tried to draw the attention of the authorities, how we have tried to draw the attention of the government. Please remember that the Section 21 A MMDR Act 1957 is a cognizable offence. So cognizable offence, if you go through the MMDR Act, and particularly in relation to the Section 21, and the whole responsibility which is vested upon the government, when you are to deal with a cognizable offence, you don't need anybody. It is your responsibility as authority. That is how we, for a layman, we define or explain any offence which is clubbed as a cognizable offence. What are the cognizable offence which common man knows? POXO, you know. If you are a medical officer, if a pregnant young lady is brought who is minor, you are duty bound. Because it is a cognizable offence, you are duty bound to inform the police. You are duty bound to ensure that, okay, you fulfill your purpose as per the requirement of the law. Now, same case here. Any illegality pertaining to illegal coal mining is a cognizable offence. Now, have the government taken cognizance of these illegalities? Now, how many FIRs have been lodged? By number of, whether it is individual, whether it is by the Nokmas, whether it is by the clan, whether it is by even other people, even general vigilant public, have they responded? Many of these FIRs have not been acted upon. Many of these FIRs, rather than the authorities going, after the alleged, rather the accused, what have they done? Have any of these FIRs have shown any end result in terms of a charge sitting? You will see every report in respect to this number of FIRs lodged by number of parties, whether individual or group of individuals or by clan or anybody, for that matter, any citizen. The police have chosen to say that there is no evidence. Whose job it is to find evidence? If ED can come and find evidence, how the police cannot find evidence? If illegal coal mining is taking place, there will be huge number of laborers coming from outside. If you have huge number of outsiders in Shalang, are you as a police officer or SP or DC not aware of this? Are you not supported by the whole, the wherewithal to support you to collect these inputs? Yes, intelligence gathering. You have everything. And how many times have we tried to draw the attention of the government inside the house, outside the house? I have written letters. I have written letter to Chief Secretary. Has he acted upon? I have sent letter even to Government of India also. They have also not acted. I will submit this way that illegality of this scale, in as far as illegal coal mining in Meghalaya is concerned, it is happening because there is a nexus between politicians and bureaucrats. It is being facilitated. Therefore, the investigation must go beyond what is happening now. The Government of India, see, the responsibility of Government of India, please understand that the coal is listed in the schedule. It is not a state subject. It is a Government of India subject. So therefore, any illegal coal mining activities, Government of India also has to take cognizance of. How many wreck loading have taken place from Dutnai, from Jolgopa? These records are available. These records are available with the railway. So these are the evidence which can be leveraged upon by all the authorities to go after this whole cartel. Now, if we go by the press release of the ED has indicated that there is a huge collection of money per truck. Per truck. That means this itself substantiates the stand of all of us who have been so with utmost sense of sincerity and commitment trying to draw the attention of the government to act upon illegalities. And in absence of this response and keeping in mind the frequent denials, I think media has always confronted the people in authority, including the Chief Minister. What is the response? The response is always on a denial mode. So, denial mode on such scale of illegality. Therefore, I have reasons to believe that all these illegalities of this scale cannot happen unless there is a patronage by the people in authority. Keeping in mind what has come out after these ED raids, this cartel has established because of the deep-rooted nexus of bureaucrat and politicians, the political executive and the bureaucracy. Therefore, the investigation must be directed towards that end to protect the interests of the state and protect the interests of the people.